Hello, Craig here from Eagle Eye. No, don't adjust your camera or your video screen. I am standing here in the dark shooting this video for you. Now you're probably wondering why the hell I'm standing here in the dark. Well, it's all about the sign word of the day today, and it's brought to you by the letter R. And today, we're talking reflective banner material. Check that out. Let's dig in. Hello there, Craig here with Eagle Eye. Today's sign word of the day, as I mentioned, is brought to you by the letter R, and we're talking reflective banner material. Now this is some really cool material that we recently just picked up. I really like this material. It's a 15-ounce material that's a 1,000 by 1,000 denier. Now if you've watched any of my other videos, and I'll link them up here at the top, about scrim and denier, you can check those out later because you'll understand that a 1,000 by 1,000 denier is a great product. Now what makes this banner so cool? Well, as you saw at the beginning, this banner not only works during the day, but it also works at night. Check that out. Now I just printed this banner and I put it up on my garage door in the shop here with some magnets. But what a great material, what a great product. Man, I see a lot of you selling these. It's a great product. And well, of course, as I mentioned, the banner not only works during the night, but it also works during the day. So I've got a little sample piece of this material here, and I'm gonna bring it up to the camera so that you can see it. It's got a honeycomb pattern for the reflective, and let me get that up there and twist that just a little bit so you can see it. So it's a really cool looking pattern, which is what makes it really stand out. We've already got this product in a couple customers' hands. We can sew it, we can hem it, we can grommet it, we can put webbing in it, just like any other banner material. But as I mentioned, the great part about this is that it works during the day and at night. And here's the other cool part. We can get this material up to 10 feet wide. So we can print 10 feet wide with our UV printer with this material. So if someone needs a big banner on the side of a building, man, this will make them stand out. Well, there you go. Sign word of the day brought to you by the letter R, and well, how appropriate, reflective banner. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, follow us online. And if you haven't, check this product out online. It is on our new website, eagleeyesigns.net. And as always, thank you for your support. Follow us, give us a like, subscribe for the latest videos, because we've got a lot more coming.